Hello everyone. Today, we'll be discussing a crucial piece of equipment in any home or business, the boiler. A boiler is a device that converts chemical energy into heat, which can be used for various purposes. It is responsible for providing hot water or steam, which is essential for households, schools, and industries. There are two main types of boilers: water tube and fire tube boilers. A water tube boiler, as the name suggests, has its tubes filled with water. The heat from the combustion gas ignites the water, causing it to heat up. The hot water then passes through the tubes, and the process repeats. In contrast, fire tube boilers have their tubes filled with heating elements, which can be burners or fires. When fuel is burned inside the boiler, it releases heat energy, which raises the water temperature. The heated water then passes through the tubes, and the heat is absorbed by the water. This cycle continues until the water is cooled down, at which point the process starts again. To maintain the efficiency of the boiler, it is essential to maintain the proper pressure and temperature levels. There are several safety features installed in boilers to prevent accidents and ensure the smooth functioning of the system. In conclusion, a boiler is a critical component in converting chemical energy into heat, which is used for various purposes. By understanding its function and how it works, we can ensure the smooth operation of our systems and maintain a comfortable environment.